How to add location to Instagram profile bio. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to do it. So after you open your phone like this, now go ahead and open up your map app. So after you open up your map, as you can see now you can go ahead and search to the location that you want to add. So let's say now I want to add like this country. Let's say I want to change my location to like this, let's say Sudan. So tap on the country you want to add location to. As you can see, after you tap in on the name of the country, as you can see now it gives you this, as you can see now, this share button. So now you can tap on this share button after you tap on the location. So after you tap on this share button, as you can see, here is it. This now it will ask you now tap on this copy button. Now I'll copy my location link. So now close your map. Now go to your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram like this, now go to your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, now tap on this edit profile section. After you come to this edit profile section, now tap on this where it says links. Here is it, this links, tap on it. So now tap on this add link. As you can see, add link, tap on it. After you open this add link, now tap on this add external link. So now paste in your link in this section. Long press your hand and tap on this paste button. But now all you have to do, now tap on the link, go to paste. As you can see now, delete this. As you can see now, this text which says Sudan, delete it. Make sure your link has started from this HTTPS. So tap on this title and type in your Sudan like this. Type in this location name. So after you type in this location name, tap on this save button. So now tap on this back arrow. So as you can see now, here is my location link on Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.